Hi, I'm David Charlotte with Charlotte Law Group. I'd like to talk to you today about the current foreclosure crisis here in the United States. If you're watching this video, it's very likely that you either have been involved in a foreclosure or are contemplating a foreclosure or have some questions about foreclosure and what your rights and responsibilities and opportunities are in relation to a piece of property you may have an ownership interest in. We here at Charlotte Law Group do a lot of foreclosure defense work, and we employ some novel strategies to better our client's position in any foreclosure situation. Now, what you need to understand is if you're in a position where you realize that you're not going to be able to carry the mortgage payments on a particular piece of property for much longer, the key factor that you need to really analyze is how much longer can you continue to pay, because you do not want to keep making payments up until the last minute and leave yourself in a position where you can't mount a decent defense, or you don't have the time or financial resources to try to work out your situation with the property. So the first important point to know is stop paying before you deplete your resources entirely. Talk to a lawyer. Come up with some type of workout strategy, defense strategy, or other way in which you're going to deal with this problem. We here at Charlotte Law Group try to counsel our clients to audit their mortgages, to ask questions of their bank, because very frequently there are issues with respect to the mortgage that the bank either is not aware of, is not telling you about, or could provide you with a good defense to any foreclosure action that's brought. What you do when you find these issues is to send the bank what's called a qualified inquiry letter. That's a letter that asks the bank to look at these situations and to make some determination as to whether you're correct in questioning whether the mortgage payments were properly applied, whether the escrow balances are correct, and other things of that nature. Now, to the extent that the bank doesn't properly respond or otherwise doesn't deal with the situation appropriately, you would then have a defense to any foreclosure action that's brought. Equally as important, during the time the bank is looking into the situation, the bank's not supposed to report you as being delinquent and is not supposed to bring a foreclosure action against you. So we employ those strategies on a proactive basis to put our clients in the best possible position with respect to any subsequent foreclosure that is brought. To the extent that you are involved in a foreclosure, the key is time and leverage. You always want to maximize your time in the property and put yourself in the best advantage vis-a-vis the bank with leverage. If you have no defense, if you have no way to stop the foreclosure, you're going to get steamrolled. The bank will take the property and you'll have no way to oppose the action. But if you hire counsel, if you mount a defense, if you take some time, you develop leverage that you can hopefully use to your advantage in negotiating some type of workout with the bank, whether it be reduction in the mortgage principal, whether it be a agreement to waive interest, or many other options such as a short sale or a deed in lieu of foreclosure. Our strategy is to always deal with the situation quickly, deal with it forthrightly, deal with it upfront, and put yourself in the best possible position to negotiate a favorable outcome for you. And we would counsel you to do the same. And if you do, we feel that you can deal with these foreclosure problems in a way that is not going to be totally adverse to you. Good luck. Thank you.